Dear student, myself Dr. Sanjay Kumar Srivastav, Associate Professor, Dev Allied Health Institute, Pathology Department. After 7 lecture, I will taught you hemocytometer. What is hemocytometer? Is a counting chamber device originally designed and usually used for counting blood cells. The hemocytometer was invented by Louis Charles Malassez and consists of a thick glass microscope slide with a rectangular indentation that creates a precision volume chamber. Look at this picture. Here on the glass slide, it is plus like structure present and small squares are also present. This is called Neubauer chamber. How is hemocytometer used to count cell? A hemocytometer consists of a thick glass microscope slide with a grid of perpendicular lines etched in the middle. The grid has a specified dimension so that the area covered by the lines is known, which makes it possible to count the number of cells in a specific volume of solution. तो इस थिक ग्लास स्लाइड पर ग्रिड बने हुए हैं जो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन मिडिल में शो कर रहा है। तो इसमें किनारे की तरफ 16 स्क्वायर काउंट किए जाते हैं। तो 16 इंटू 4 दैट इज 64 squares. And what is the use of Neubauer chamber? In case of blood cells counting, the squares placed at the corners are used for white cell counting. जैसा कि अभी मैंने बताया है, since their concentration is lower than red blood cells, a larger area is required to perform the cell count. The central square is used for platelet and red cells. तो जो 5 खाने बने हैं प्लस के निशान के, उसमें चारों किनारे पे जो 64 खाने हैं उसमें WBC काउंट किए जाते हैं और बीच के जो स्मॉल स्क्वायर्स हैं उसमें रेड ब्लड सेल्स और प्लेटलेट काउंट किए जाते हैं। ये टोटल 80 स्क्वायर्स होते हैं। हाउ डू यू कैलकुलेट hemocytometer? Using the microscope, focus on one of the 4x4 grids on the hemocytometer and count the cell at a negative for trypan blue. So viability इसकी क्या है वो 3 points में है, that is take a average cell count from each of the sets of 16 corner square, second multiply by 10,000 and third multiply by 5 to correct for the 1:5 dilution from the trypan blue addition. जो WBC डाइल्यूटिंग फ्लूइड लिए जाते हैं उनका रेशियो 1:5 का होता है और उसी रेशियो के अकॉर्डिंगली कैलकुलेशन में इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया जाता है। व्हाट इज़ द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ hemocytometer? A hemocytometer consists of a thick glass microscope slide with a grid or perpendicular lines etched in the middle. The grid has specified dimensions so that the area covered by the lines is known, which makes it possible to count the number of cells in a specific volume of solution. How does a hemocytometer work? कैसे ये काम करता है? The hemocytometer is a modified and calibrated microscope slide designed to allow operators to quick estimate the concentration of cells in a sample. The cells present in a known volume are counted and then this value converted to a number per ml. So जो modified dimensions होते हैं इसके माइक्रोस्कोप स्लाइड के, इसमें जो कंसंट्रेशन होता है सेल का और डाइल्यूटिंग फ्लूइड का, दोनों को कन्वर्ट किया जाता है पर ml में. What is the diluting fluid for WBC? Diluting fluid of WBC counts include crystal violet, acetic acid, Jensen violet or acetic acid, toluidine blue, zero and saponin. These solutions are used for the WBC diluting fluid. The total number of living or dead cells in a given volume of area for microorganism, the term is generally applied to bacteria, spore or yeast. So what is the normal range of WBC? The normal range of WBC is in the blood is 4500 to 11,000 per microliter, or you can say 4.5 to 11.0 into 10 raised to the power 9 per liter. The normal value ranges may vary slightly among different labs. Some labs use different measurement or may test different specimens. Talk to your provider about your test result. The hemocytometer is a counting chamber device originally designed and usually used for a counting blood cells. The hemocytometer was invented by Louis Charles Malassez and consists of a thick glass microscope slide with a rectangular indentation that creates a precision volume chamber. For the counting of WBC, we need uniform distribution of cell. So, students also stated that there are two main sources of error. One was related to obtaining yeast sample that may not be representative of the bulk solution, and the error of random sampling where the cells were not uniformly distributed in the observation area. So, you must be careful for the counting of the cell. So, using a pipette, WBC pipette, take 100 microliter of trypon blue treated cell suspension and apply to hemocytometer. If using a glass hemocytometer, very gently fill both chambers underneath the cover slip, allowing the cell suspension to drawn out by capillary action. So, you have taken 1:5 ratio of the blood and diluting fluid in a WBC pipette and mix it well and keep for 5 minutes. After then, you have to put a corner of pipette on the glass and cover slip junction and slowly you push the rubber tube of the pipettes. The solution will be spread over the slide and it will be charged. So, here you can see the WBC pipette, RBC pipette, Neubauer chamber and cover slip also. So, student, if you have any queries regarding this WBC counting and Neubauer chamber, then you can ask me on my YouTube channel and I will show you when the lab or college will be open. So, I will show you practically. Thank you so much.